You are invited. Hey, this is Christopher Westfall. I just want to invite you to a very special presentation coming up on March the 14th that will absolutely, positively put more money in your insurance practice. Sandy Botkin spent 5 years as an IRS tax attorney, and now he runs the Tax Reduction Institute. He's both a CPA and a lawyer, and he's certified both in the United States and in Canada as an expert in the tax arena. What Sandy has identified, and I bought his book years ago and have used it greatly to save a lot of money in my own little business of running an insurance practice, but what he's able to do is identify and interpret the IRS law to the advantage of the small business owner. And what I've asked him to do for the first time ever is to come address independent insurance agents, which he's going to do in this one-time only webinar. So if you've wondered if something is deductible or whether it's not, you can actually come on this webinar and ask a nationally recognized tax expert, and he wants to field the questions from the independent insurance community. So you're invited. This is a public webinar. It's on Friday, March the 14th at 11 o'clock Eastern Time, 11 a.m. Eastern. That's 10 o'clock Central, 9 Mountain, and 8 a.m. Pacific Time. We only have room for 1,000 agents to come on to the webinar. The replay may or may not be available at our website afterward, but I really want to encourage you to come to the live event. I guarantee you, and by the way, the webinar is completely free, I guarantee you will learn some strategies on amazing things like how to write off your kid's wedding, how to write off every time you go golfing, how to write off going to the movies, how to write off going to the baseball games, it's just amazing all the things you can write off, and at the same time hedge yourself with protection against an IRS audit, because he knows what triggers the audits and he knows how to defend yourself in the audit. So this is such an eye-opening webinar. I attended one of his webinars some months ago and just took furious notes, and that was geared towards small business in general. This webinar that he's agreed to do for me is just for independent insurance agents. And again, this is the first time he's addressed our niche specifically. So I highly encourage you to grab every agent that you know. And I'm not going to be selling anything on this webinar. Again, it's free. But come to the webinar and learn how you can maximize the business of insurance and bring home the most money. It doesn't matter if you make a lot if you don't bring it home. Well, Sandy will explore that just for us as to how we can maximize things we do on a daily basis to make the majority of things we do related to our business or on the outskirts tax deductible. It's absolutely amazing, and it'll blow you away at the content of this webinar. Remember, March the 14th, you can sign up below this video. March the 14th at 11 a.m., that's Eastern Time, or 8 a.m. Pacific, or 10 o'clock Central Time, or 9 Mountain. Bounce all around there. Thanks. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.